Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using this napkin I got from Amazon and this piece of wood that I got from Hobby Lobby. It's 6x5. I paint the front of it as well as the edges with Plaster chalk paint by Waverly, just giving that one coat. Dried that completely and added a layer of Mod Podge on top of that paint and dried that completely as well. I then open up the napkin and just cut away one of those sections. I remove the second layer from the napkin and line that up onto the wood piece. Once I have it set where I wanted it, I add parchment paper on top of that and use my travel iron to iron that image on. It'll reactivate the Mod Podge, sealing that down. I sand away the napkin around the edges. Next, I'm moving on to this wood piece I got from Walmart. It's 9x12. I cover that entirely with one coat of khaki color acrylic paint, and that's by Apple Barrel. Drying that completely. And then I'm taking Snow White acrylic paint, also by Apple Barrel, and I'm using a baby wipe, and I'm giving it a whitewash look all the way around. Next, I'm taking these half round 12mm wood beads that I got from Amazon, and I'm taping them down to paint them using the same khaki color paint, drying them, and then using the baby white to whitewash them. And then take those and line them up all around the edge of the front of the wood panel. And then once I have those all in place, I'm using Tacky glue to apply them to that. I just use a small paintbrush and brush them on the back of each of the beads. And then the last thing I do is hot glue that image to the center of the front. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.